So, the truth about Mommy Rocket, known as Shelly Ann Fraser Fries, has finally been exposed because we all know that Shelly Ann Fraser Fries is already 40 years old, almost to 50 years old, and she is still running like never before. Like nobody currently can actually beat Shelly Ann Fraser Fries in 100 meter. And according to research, when people are almost to the age of 40 to 50, they don't tend to run faster. Well, in this video, she has finally been exposed, and we will be telling you everything in this video. So be sure to hit the subscription button right now, and also make sure to subscribe, and also make sure to turn up the bell notification so when we upload our next video, you'll be the first to get notified. As I am talking to you right now, there are groups in social media talking about Shelly and Face the Fries that she is juicing her body and also taking drugs and steroid. Well, it is so unfortunate that track fans are the one discussing about this, that the legend known as Shelly and Fraser Fries is on drugs. Well, let me clarify everything, but because it is actually the other way around. The big reason why people are suggesting that Shelly Ann Fraser Fries is juicing her body with doping drugs is because she is already 50 to 60 and still running. But this is what they don't know. The truth is only Shelly Ann Fraser Fries haters are saying all these things. Only people who don't like her, people who don't like to see Shelly Ann Fraser Fries succeed in her career. They want to bring her down before her retirement because Shelly Ann Fraser Fries is one of the purest athletes of all time. Imagine someone who has been racing since she was 18. She has been racing for almost 40 years and she has never been tested for any drug test. She has never been tested positive. She is one of the purest athletes I've ever known. Like it is so rare to find an athlete running for a very long time and at the same time is very pure. This is Shelly and Fraser Fries, and I think a lot of athletes need to be taking this woman as their model because she is the right model for every athlete. A lot of athletes are jealous of this woman simply because when she was being asked whether she will retire, she said no. She has no plans of retirement. Well, her not retiring will not give others space. So that is why a lot of athletes and a lot of countries from track athletic community are jealous of her because they feel like if she retired, it will be an opportunity for the upcoming athlete. But the truth is nobody can choose what you need to do, and I feel I am happy for her choice. If she feel like she can run, let her be. But it's so sad to see that a lot of people are jealous that she's not ready to retire. And that does not matter as far as she is still pure and she has the strength. And a lot of jealous athletic fans are praying for this woman to be tested positive. But by the grace of God, that will never happen because Jamaicans are very smart because I know they know how to do it well. Jamaicans do not eat food anywhere. They don't drink water anywhere because they don't trust people. They only trust themselves. And I feel like a lot of athletes should learn from this Jamaican athlete. You can literally eat food from anywhere, drink water from anywhere. You don't know who is your enemy. Even the outsiders could literally put some medicines into your water and boom, you could be tested positive and you'll be asking yourself, when did I take drugs? I think it's time African athletes need to learn from the Jamaicans how to keep themselves